Hi, my name is Bhushan. I'm a counsel with a US law firm, and my teammate Shankar, also my elder brother, has a deep tech background. Shankar previously led AI teams at Apple, Temasek, and Acoustic Research Lab. Together, we built Maxwell, an on-premises AI scaling solution addressing three core problems in international arbitration. First, international arbitration is document-intensive and legal AI products simply can't cope. Maxwell came about because of my clients' increasing demands that counsel meaningfully integrate AI in work. Keeping aside advertised capabilities, I found legal AI products output quality to degrade quite easily. In a real workflow, one can only query 20 to 30 documents per prompt. You may know context window as the amount of information AI can read and reason over at one time. For text, that is between 300 to 5,000 pages. And that isn't much, especially for higher order thinking and when drafting complex pleadings. To make things worse, as the graph before you shows, LLM's output breaks down long before they exhaust the context window. So what we have is a proliferation of legal AI, each with its own separate narrow use case, none interoperable. Maxwell solves for this. Here's how. Instead of directly uploading user information into a model and then overwhelming it, we decided to manage data around that model. Conceptually, Maxwell is an internal data management engine that dynamically curates information as users interact with it. Purpose-built for law, it is a model-agnostic machine and magnifies capabilities of prevailing best models. The result, number one, high access to quality and to directly use AI in drafting work product collaboratively with AI. Two, high performance on analysis of large data sets in the order of a couple petabytes. And three, far superior quality web-based queries. We've built custom data pipelines tailored for international arbitration too. Second problem, international arbitration has an equality of arms issue. That issue is exacerbated with advances in AI. Large law firms can access multiple legal tech software, each with an AI functionality. Think Harvey, Copilot, Relativity, NetDocs, USAE, and so forth. But what if a disputing party or an arbitrator cannot afford them? Or worse, what if arbitrators use an AI that inadvertently introduces a tilt? First off, Maxwell isn't wedded to one specific LLM. It can access all models in the market and dynamically chooses one best suited to the query on hand, including the model's availability and latency in that moment. And Maxwell can act as a DMS, legal research tool, drafting tool, and doc review tool all rolled into one. The central idea is that arbitral institutions can give each disputing party and the arbitrators basic minimum guaranteed access to AI through Maxwell, charging only for the AI gas bill priced into institutional fees. Amongst its other benefits, Maxwell also tools for time tracking, which may help as a proxy for measuring relative work by the disputing parties when assessing cost submissions. Third problem, international arbitration is confidential. Nearly all AI providers require sending your data to their cloud. Clients and law firms, especially international arbitration, are understandably reluctant to do so. On that issue, Maxwell is available either on-premise, that is fully within the customer's control, or in the cloud with end-to-end encryption and industry standard assurances. We'll next show a short demo of Maxwell's core data processing capability. We've uploaded 4 mega dockets from some of the largest bankruptcy cases in the United States, including the infamous Purdue Pharma bankruptcy arising from the opioids epidemic in the US. In all, that's about 14 GB of text-based information. On the first pane to the left is the file manager, where we upload these files. It also acts as a document management system, and the AI can file and refile both folders and documents as convenient. The second pane contains an inbuilt text editor and file viewer. The third pane is the chat window. All windows are resizable and fully collapsible. You can see we have uploaded about 10,000 documents. Below that, you will see that we've set up a prompt that's fairly complex. You can also see a logic thread running under the query that explains the GPT's thinking, which is a useful data point for users to monitor and revise the prompt as required. Now the results. You can see a memo prepared in the second pane, and that includes a summary and a rather long list of source documents it relied upon. Note that it identifies and pin size dozens of documents from over 10,000 documents uploaded into Maxwell in all. Users can continue to edit this output and have Maxwell iterate on a whole or part of the memo as required. That's my time, ladies and gentlemen, and we hope to see you in the next stage of the hackathon.